Good morning, everybody. Today we are doing off to college, whether it's you going back to school, your kid going off to college, or your grandkid. I've got a few deals for you today. There is an entire page on Amazon for off to college stuff, and there are a ton of deals listed here. I'm going to highlight some of them. The very first deal that I want to point out for you guys is Prime Student. Prime Student offers a 6-month free trial and then half price for $7.49. You have to be a new member and you get all the same benefits that you get with Prime. But there are some extras for students. LinkedIn Premium, which is 6 months free. It's great resource for people who are looking for jobs or for internships. You get unlimited Showtime movies for 99 cents a month and Amazon Music Unlimited, which might be handy for your student. I was one of those students who needed music in the background to study, and your student may be the same. I can't do it anymore, but back in those days, I was definitely the person who had to have that background noise going. And then I'm going to go into some specific deals, just kind of looking at different things. There is an essential shop, which has quite a few different items in it that are suggestions for Amazon students. We're going to start with a weekly planner. A good planner helps everybody. And this one is specifically geared towards students for the blocks of time that they do classes. They may want to schedule social events or homework or when midterms are, so they can block out time for studying. Another academic planner, I thought this one was pretty. There's a coupon on this one to save an extra 20%. So you'd save $4 off of that. Highlighters. I used highlighters like a crazy person when I was in college. These are in pastel colors. It's $6 for 6 of them. So you could use a different color highlighter for different subjects or for different facts that you think you need to highlight in there. A small portable charger. Bane of every teenager's existence is their cell phone dying. This one's also got a 10% off coupon, so you'd save $3.50 on it. A sewing kit. Everybody needs a sewing kit. This one's small and compact. You could keep it in a dorm room easily. A power strip for a desktop also has a coupon on it, 15% applied at checkout. This would be handy to be able to plug in your laptop and stuff in a dorm room, or to be able to keep your cell phone charged, etc. Stainless steel reusable tea and coffee travel mug. This would keep coffee hot all day long, or what I'd probably end up using it for is to hold oatmeal so I can carry it to my 8 a.m. economics class. I remember that with no fondness. Shower steamers, aromatherapy. This one's eucalyptus, helps out with nasal congestion. Dorm room showers, especially if you're in a dorm where you have to shower in a hall, they aren't necessarily the most pleasant smelling places. So this might be handy to make it a little more homey. A makeup desk organizer with drawers. This could have a lot of uses, from makeup to jewelry to wired headphones, $18.99. This wired headphones for $18.99. This includes a microphone, works with a smartphone, a tablet, a computer. And this is pink, but there are other colors. Great for studying or for not hearing your roommate while you're trying to do something online. Laundry bag. You know your kid's going to bring home their laundry to you to wash at the end of the semester. So you may as well have them put it into a cute bag. Or they may haul it actually to a laundromat. I'd be surprised, but some kids do. But it's a cute bag. There's pink and blue. And for $10.99 saves you the hassle of having to make one. I know we're all sewers. Bamboo sheet set, $59.90 with an extra 10% off coupon. They have it in twin and all the sizes that you might find in a dorm room.